Hello, welcome to my channel. So today, actually, I just wanted to show you something about, you know, Visual Studio Code. It's about the connection between Visual Studio Code and Git repository. So basically, Git repository is nothing but it contains the collection of the files as well as the history of changes made to those files. Repository in Git is considered as your project folder as well. Okay, a repository has all the project related data, and if you are using it depends on project. Few projects may use Azure DevOps, and few projects may use the Git repository to maintain the data. Okay, so for example, if you are going to use, or if you wanted to use a Git repository, so you have end to end, how to manage your code and how to create branches in your code. Let's say, there's a working in a Git repository, and how you commit your code. Okay, after your development, how you are going to commit your code. And let me just show you, there are many things here. And the branches, so how you create branches. And you have the video and you have the matter as well in this article. And there are many, how you see merge conflicts. So whenever you check in the code, if for example I'm a developer and I'm checking the code, and parallelly someone have checked in the code, and they have also done the development on the same object which I have done, so what is going to happen? There will be some conflicts. So how to manage that conflicts means how to resolve that conflicts. So everything. So if you are trying to use the Git, so if you face any issues, you'll able. This is something like one stop solution. You'll be able to check all the issues or concerns, everything. Or if you do not know how to create branches, if you do not know how to resolve the merge conflicts, if you do not know like how to delete the branches, so everything, so whatever it is required, so everything that was provided here. And you can just, and same, you can just go to this particular link code.visualstudio.com, docs, source control and overview, so that you'll find complete article here. So definitely it is going to be useful for you. And yeah, this is what I just wanted to share, because few might not know where you can able to find all this. So that's the reason just felt to share with you guys. So yeah, that's it for this session. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.